To set up the cloud feature of our NVR or DVR, we come to the bottom left. We click on Setup. From Setup, we come to Storage. Click on Cloud. Here we have our cloud feature, the ability to activate the cloud feature. But before we do this, we need to set up our SMTP. To do that, we come to Network. And in Network, we'll click on Email. This is where you input the email associated with your cloud account. This depends on if you use Dropbox or Google Drive for cloud storage. The emails you add as receivers are where notification emails would be sent to as well. Coming back to Network, and then Email, we check this box. If you know your encryption, you select it, else leave it on auto. Add your SMTP ports, your SMTP server details, your email, your password, and the other emails. Once you're done doing that, make sure you test it to confirm everything is in order. Let's say everything is okay, go ahead and click on Apply at the bottom right. Now you can come back to storage and activate your cloud feature, filling all the necessary information needed. This is how you activate the cloud feature on your recorder.